Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tactical Expedition, and today I want to introduce you to the genuine TRD oil cap screw-on cap for the engine oil mount. And this is a genuine part. This is the real deal. And I got it on Amazon or eBay for about $40 to $45. And this is made in Japan. And at first I didn't want to get this because it goes into under the engine bay and nobody's gonna look at it. But once I saw the original oil cap, I was shocked, and I'll show you why I bought this. Anyways, this has a sticker. That's the genuine sticker, but if you look at the bottom, it's straight from Japan. So it has, I know it's reversed, but that's Japanese on top right here. So, yeah, I know it's made in Japan, so let's open it up. Okay. And okay, and this is it. Okay, that's nice. It has some weight to it. There's a little O-ring. Yeah, it's not light. It's all decent. Okay, so this is really sturdy. So I wanted to see how much it weighs. So let's turn it on. And this is such a high quality. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so well made. Gosh. Okay, let's weigh it. It's 3.5 ounce. Okay, so that's the weight. And this is just a highlight of what I bought, and I'm gonna make videos. Okay, so I'm just gonna open the hood and show you why I changed, or I decided to spend almost $50. Okay, so that is the genuine oil cap, and when I try to open it, it is so hard to open it, and it's a cheap quality oil cap. Look, it's just a plastic. Look at this piece of shit. Sorry, but this is unacceptable from Toyota. This is horrible. It's just plastic without any seals, or I mean, there's no rubber here. There's no seal. It's just plastic. See, it's nothing. After I saw that, I decided to upgrade to TRD part. There's two different types. There's a red kind, and this is like the Japanese version. So I don't know, I just bought the cheapest and then I got the Japanese version. So I'm gonna install this now, okay? And these, I think all Toyotas fit. Okay, opened again. And I'm just gonna rub that oil on that O-ring. Okay, I'm just gonna rub that oil, and then hopefully it lines up perfectly. But unfortunately, it doesn't line up. But it just goes in one way. So I think that's totally worth $30–40 because you're putting quality parts in the car. You know. They also sell the metal mount, the aluminum mount for this, but I didn't see any need, right? So I didn't upgrade just for looks, but that's not just for looks, you know? That is, it's all for function. So that's that. I wish it was other way around, but it's not, so, oh well. But at least I know I have a good part. And let's see. And that's my TRD that I installed, and there's a separate video of that. So thank you for viewing my video. Like and subscribe, and I'll be back with the next video. Thank you.